order to get around. That means you need to kind of have an idea exactly where you want to go. Well, I didn't have much time for research, so I called in the help of a local. Hi, Rajitha.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So I'm here with Rajitha of Elegant Tours. He's going to be he's going to be my guide for today, showing me around Colombo, because I know that Colombo is really big, right? Like it's huge.
Yeah, huge, and crowded. It's very trafficy today. Today it's very traffic because after some holidays.
Yeah.
It's very traffic.
I heard there's like a presidential holiday.
Yeah, you will see there was some big rally yesterday.
Yeah.
The world face. You can still see some things there over there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I came from like 40 kilometers away. So I came like for the first 30 kilometers. It took me only like 40 minutes. But then from there, from highway exit from PIckled to here, it took me like another 1 hour. Normally we call this kind of Makara Torana. So normally those kind of things in the entrance of the place, especially in the entrance of a temple. That's a mark of symbol of Buddhism.
Yeah, like the Wheel of Life. I take it this is where we leave our shoes. The admission for tourists is going to be 300 rupees. And you have to save your admission ticket because you might be able to use that at the next...
Yeah, there's another place next to that.
Whoa! This is crazy.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. It's so colorful.
Yeah. Ganga means river. Okay. Aramaya means where monks stay. Aramaya. So Ganga, Aramaya, together Gangaramaya.
This is a huge tree right here. It comes from the original Bodhi tree where Buddha received his enlightenment. And then from that tree, they took an offspring to create this tree. Hair relic would have been in that glass case. This is the first time I've actually been to a place where they show you the actual hair relic. How many Buddhas would you say are in this house?
Well, statues.
Yeah.
Thousands.
Oh my goodness. There's just more. Oh wow.
So most of those statues made out from copper. Valuable stuff. So here it's all made out from gold. Gold statue, and this statue. So this is the world's smallest Buddhist statue.
No way. We're in the crosswalk. There's my tickets. Just gonna stamp it. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Cancelled. Cancelled.
Lord Buddha's footprint.
Oh, Lord Buddha's footprint. This temple right here is well known or prominent because of Upasambhava, which is kind of like a festival where they initiate the monk into the next level. And this building right here is where they do it.
Yeah, we're going to Gold Face. Gold Face Green to experience some Sri Lankan street food.
Awesome. Yeah? I can't wait for this one. So last night when I was going to my hotel, the driver was talking about a big political event. That was the event he was talking about. That was massive looking at that photo. Now I understand why there were so many people. Got like a little boardwalk right there. Oh wow, look at these shrimp pancakes. Oh my god, look at this. And then you have, oh my god, this is so creative.
Made out from dal paste. And they use some shrimp over here.
Yeah.
And it's going to be deep fried.
All of this, like I love prawns. This is the prawn man.
They use some salads and lemon juice, and they have some sauce. This is some spicy sauce, tangy and spicy sauce.
Okay, so shrimp patties by the sea.
Small shrimps inside the batter.
Yeah.
Here the shrimp is on the top and they fried.
Oh, this one is on the top. Okay. First, we're gonna try the shrimp prawns inside. This is an oh my god shrimp patty cake. It's a little salty because he did put a lot of salt on, but you can taste like the deep fried shrimp, like shrimpness. The sauce isn't as spicy as I thought it would be. It's not
tangy, yeah, a little tangy.
It's a little tangy. I can taste the lime on it. It's kind of like got a hearty feeling to it. Yeah, a little bit of spice on my lips and my mouth. Things are tingling. I'm feeling good because of that shrimp. I'm smelling the salt air. That's a good one.
I heard like a lot of foreigners, they're saying, oh, it's a bit salty. So which means normally those people, they made for our taste. So that's the reason we eat a little bit more salt than foreigners, that's why.
All that other stuff you put into it, the lime, the spiciness that adds to it. I think if I had to choose between this one and the other one's a favorite. Simply because the shrimps are a lot thicker and fatter.
The busiest time here is the night time. Okay, so people come here after work and the families come after when the dark is here. So it's very nice and you can see a lot of lights over here. You can't see the ocean properly, but still the vibe is better at the night time here.
So I guess I might have to try coming here at night too.
Yeah.
Kotahena. This is known as a Muslim community. Rajitha brought me here because there's supposed to be some very interesting street food here, as well as some local favorites.
Yeah, don't sleep too much because it will otherwise you go to your break. Have a smell.
Oh wow, that smells beautiful. That's the smell of curry.
That's chicken masala.
Yeah, strong and pungent.
If you see this area, so on the top they're living, the downstairs they use it for their shop. This can be a grocery shop, this can be a restaurant, or it can be some other bakehouse or something.
What is this area called?
One side of Pettah.
Oh, manufacturing area or wholesaling area.
Wholesale, yeah. So there's one street for bulbs, one street for electrics, one street for saris, clothes, and one street for gold and stuff like that. One for spices.
Whoa, look at how crazy this market is. There's so many people here. Pettah Bazaar, and right behind me right here is a vendor that sells spicy pickled fruits.
Mango, there's a Sri Lankan type of olive, okay? And this is called amarella, Sri Lankan food. Pineapple,
Yes.
guava, raw wood apple.
So we can sample it.
Some black pepper, chili powder, sugar, salt, vinegar.
Different. Oh, spicy. The olive is a little bitter, but all the sugar and the spice really adds like even more of a punch to it.
It's a little spicy, tangy, and soury.
That's true. It's got all of those. I feel like it's like all of that on a vegetable. It feels like it tastes like a vegetable.
Yeah, but we can make it as a curry also. It's a fruit actually. We can make curry. So we make curry out of pineapple. From we can make curry from anything.
Okay. Actually, yeah. The more I eat on it, the more it starts growing on.
Yeah.
That's kind of good. It's like a sour mango.
Sour.
Yeah, sour more than spicy.
So
sour. Oh wow, they're getting a little bit of everything. So we have a medley of fine spiced and pickled fruits. This cost us roughly around 200 rupees, around $1.50. Raw wood apple. Yeah. Sugar, it's sweet. It's kind of got, yeah, it does have a raw, husky kind of taste. So next up, I want to try the pineapple because I love pineapple. You can't go wrong with pineapple. The more I eat these, the more spicy it starts to feel.
Sri Lankan foods are nothing without spices actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
The peppered guava.
Yeah, peppered guava.
Yeah. Very raw. Not my favorite.
No? One of my favorite.
Yeah.
So I can eat them more.
You can have them all. Pineapples are definitely my favorite because it's so refreshing in the tea. It's kind of got like a reviving. So this is the king coconut. You have to try this. It's a must try. You are in Sri Lanka. Wow. Color is different too. It's like a more orange color. And it's very refreshing on a very hot and humid Sri Lankan day. I love how it just comes straight off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it inside.
It's too hot inside. Wow. It's boiling.
It's just wonderful. This is the Columbo I wanted to see. This is a Monday and people are out here in Galle enjoying just like the sunset, just being out here and the fact that there's wind. So kite flying is very popular. Just strolling along this boardwalk, you can see like all the little vending shops or the vendor shops where they're selling street food, seafood, street food.
Small portion of this one and prawns and this boat. Eat together.
Yes.
All together. It's
Sounds
better.
good.
Medium or baby spicy?
How about medium?
Baby spicy.
All that I ordered is going to go into that frying pan right there. He's adding in the spice right now. Oh my god, wow, that looks great. I have no idea how this is going to taste, but it looks yummy.
Roti may be Sri Lanka's most famous street food. Yeah, it's made out from shredded paratha, chopped with garlic, onions and carrot, so many vegetables. And it goes with either chicken or beef, mutton or anything, whatever you want.
Seafood devil.
Seafood devil.
And your egg kottu.
And the egg tortu.
And naan.
And then the naan. So you're going to show me how to eat this, right?
Yeah, actually, these kind of food, in Sri Lankan food, you have to be messy. You can't get the most of it if you're not being messy.
I'm going to take this.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to...
Like that, yeah.
It's a small fish?
Yeah, it's battered, yeah.
Oh, battered fish. The battered fish, this is good.
Really?
Especially with all the sauces
Sauces
inside.
and onion, yeah.
There's a lot of flavor in this. And then this is all deep fried. Go for it.
Actually, I didn't think it was this good.
Yeah.
Right, out of expectations. Yeah.
Right. Wow. I've never seen calamari this color.
Maybe some spices what they use. Maybe.
The calamari is like subtle.
Alright.
So even with the shell, I eat it. I don't know if I can taste the prawn.
Really?
I'm tasting all the sauce.
Sauces.
But I'm also tasting the, I've got the shell in my mouth. My tongue is trying to wheel around the shell. I mean, the sauce is really good.
That fish though was very distinct. Look at how juicy that is with all the sauce. Oh my god.
Good?
The curry in this crab, it tastes really good. Like the curry is definitely in. Yeah, you're right.
I think it's marinated because that crab is pre-cooked before.
Yeah.
This is pre-cooked, so which means they marinated with some curry. Okay, which means all the spices dig into the flesh. So it's marinated. I think maybe more than 3 or 4 hours. And I can see from your face.
Oh, you're getting the fish out first.
Yeah. And some onions. So tender, I mean, so juicy. Even the flesh inside is juicy.
Yeah, it's soft, right?
Wow, it's nice.
I think this is the bomb. The fish is the second.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's soft enough where you can bite into it.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I just want to suck this all. Oh, my nose is starting to run now. I mean, it was mild. It was a mild spice. I couldn't sense it. The spice is all around my mouth right now.
It's not spicy at all for me.
So you've got the kottu right there. Wow. It's so like soft and fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah?
This is almost like creamy. Or creamy like chicken papa, and get down to the bottom where the gravy's like settled into the pie. You can taste the garlic, the onions, the curd, that roti.
This is ginger beer. It's a soft drink. It's not an alcoholic beer. It's a zero alcohol. It's very famous in Sri Lanka.
Lion is a famous brand too,
Yeah,
right?
Lion is famous. Yeah. The ginger flavor. So it's really goes with spicy food. So a lot of Sri Lankans like this.
Wash it all down. Sprite meets ginger tea kind of taste, right? Except for the ginger is a lot stronger. Thank you so much. I feel like it was a nice way of getting to learn about Colombo from the streets, which is where I like to be. If you have any questions about the street food here or like, sites in Colombo, then definitely drop Rajitha a line. I'll leave his details down below. You can check it out if you are visiting Colombo. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun. I will see you here in Colombo. May the GRRR be with you.
Join me weekly for more travel videos as I take you inside my solo adventure bucket list. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the GRRR be with you.